Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create checklist in Trello board. First, log into your Trello board account. Like here, I'm already logged in. And go ahead and click on your workspace. Select boards, click on boards. Here, just click on the board you want to add checklist to first. Like here, for example, I will select board 1. Click on board 1. And then here, click on add plus card. Name it, for example, 2. Click on add card, and then go and select this card. Here, you will see checklist. You can add checklist to this card, so click on checklist, name your checklist. For example, checklist 1, click on add, and here you can add items. For example, task 1 to assign to persons in your checklist. Click on add, click on task 2, for example, and hit add. And you understand the process, guys. So just add tasks here, that's it. You can add a description to the checklist also here. Example, this is my checklist description. And click on save. When you're done, just click save and your checklist is successfully created here. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a daily drop on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.